Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a large box here. I wanted to come on and do a quick Dooney and Burke unboxing for you guys, but this is an unboxing fail, a big fat fail. I was just gonna box this up and send it right on back to Dooney, but I wanted to actually unwrap it real quick and show it to you all, just in case this item caught someone's eye on the I Love Dooney website. You need to see the true color because I'm sending this back because of the color. So let me hurry up and stop talking and get this item out the box so I can get this dirty box off my couch. You guys, so you can see already that this is a satchel. So I picked this up from I Love Dooney, and my girl Dazzle Me 77 sent me a link one morning asking if I had seen this on the I Love Dooney website because she knows that I love the color purple. The camera, it's coming up a bit purple on camera, but to my eye, you guys, this is giving blue. Either way, this is not a true purple. So this is a Dooney and Burke satchel. It was supposed to be purple, and I believe this is pebbled leather. I'm not entirely sure. It is beautiful. I've never had a satchel in this leather before, but it's lovely. It really is lovely. But you guys, this is not purple for me. This is not purple. It's not the purple that I was expecting. It's giving, I don't know, it's giving deep blue or indigo. It's just not giving purple. So for that reason alone, it is definitely going to go back. It is a gorgeous bag. This is a regular size satchel, but I just can't do it. And it was just a big old fail. And that's the risk that we run, shopping online. And so I know purple girls take their purples very seriously. And so I said, well, let me go ahead and just order it. Let me give it a try. Because, maybe it is a nice shade of purple and maybe I'll love it, but this is not at all the color that was on the in the picture. It's just not. And I understand that sometimes our screens are off, but this color is just completely inaccurate. And I feel like I said, it's coming up more purple on screen, but to my eye here in person, it is giving more blue. And that is not what I wanted for this bag, but it is a gorgeous piece. But I just wanted to bring this on here to you guys really quickly and share that with you. Again, this is the regular size. I do like this size in the Dooney and Burke satchels. My black one is large and it is just way too big in my opinion. So I am definitely going to just send this back. I'm not even going to unpack this all the way. I'm going to leave all the factory packaging on just so they don't even have to go through that process. The only thing that I don't like about Dooney and Burke returns is they charge you that $10 return fee. So that is whack, but it is okay. It's just $10. I can live with it, but what I can't live with is this color. So again, this is the Dooney purple that is currently on the I Love Dooney website. This unboxing was a major fail. I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.